Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make another one of my good soups. Okay. And I wasn't sure anybody had ever made a soup like this before. I've been using Brussels sprouts. I looked on YouTube and there's a few people that have made Brussels sprout and vegetable soup. So, okay, this is what I'll be using. I'm not going to use this whole bag, and I'll be cutting my Brussels sprouts in half. Frozen Brussels sprouts. I'm going to peel some potatoes and put a few carrots in there, a few green beans. All this is frozen, y'all. Corn and some chicken, fully cooked fajita chicken. It wasn't frozen when I bought it. I put it in the freezer with the vegetables. And I might throw in some of these noodles. It will make a good hearty soup. And since this has been opened, I left it in the can, some cream of chicken soup. So I'll be using spicy chicken broth. It's not spicy. I'll be using the Knorr chicken bouillon for my salt. Of course, you know it's salt in this chicken soup. Okay, I'll be using granulated garlic, granulated onion, granulated white pepper, well, ground white pepper, this kind of pepper, red, green, black, and white peppercorns, and my Italian blend seasoning. No salt in this either. And I'll be cooking it in my small slow cooker. This here. It's the 2-quart slow cooker. I always put a little water in the in this part. It's just me. Just a little. Now I can plug it in. And I'm going to use a slow cooker liner. I'll use another brand too to get more bags and it's cheaper. This is for, it fits 1 to 3 quart slow cooker. It looks really big. I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Pick these carrots up. Okay. Lower that. Lower that. Right there. Okay. Y'all know I put a little water in the slow cooker. So I'm going to put this in here. That way I don't have to wash out this here, the black part. So I have leftovers and I'll just take this whole bag out, secure it, and put it in a bowl and put it in the refrigerator. Put the whole bag in a bowl. Trying to smooth this out as much as possible. And if you use a junk out the way, slow cooker liner, don't ever tuck it up under here. So see, this looks messy, but leave it out like this. If you tuck it, then it's going to melt, and that'll mess up your slow cooker. I had a big one, big one that would hold a turkey, a real big one. And I tucked the slow cooker liner, and that stuff melted. And I never could wash that off or clean it off. Okay. Now, I'm gonna start by putting some of these vegetables in here. Just a few carrots. Y'all see. Walker don't like carrots, but I do. That's about 10 carrots. String beans. That's enough. Little corn. Peel some potatoes. I'm gonna cut it on. I'm gonna cut it on high. I don't have a garbage bag. Let me finish this. Stuff in my way. I wonder if I can cut these. That's how hard they're gonna be. See that? Just throw them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 10. Okay. So these potatoes. I don't know how to use a potato peeler. I got one. I have a couple. That's the way I learned. Potato. I'm about to let them get too old. They're about to start sprouting. I'm called Brussels sprouts. I call them baby cabbages because they taste like cabbage. I'm excited to see what this soup gonna taste like. I like to cut all potatoes in half, but sometimes they have that black stuff in the middle. I don't know why that happens sometimes. Make all these the same size. So they'll cook evenly. for the potatoes in here. Put that starch water off. And I'm going to put my meat in there now. Oh, I can't even break this. I'll be back. Well, I can't season it now. I'm not going to put the noodles in here until these potatoes get done. I'm going to put this cream of chicken soup in here. And some liquid. And the seasonings. The garlic. Onion. I ain't chopping up no onion and garlic. White pepper. Italian blend. This one, this side. No salt in here. And the pepper. And bouillon. Chicken bouillon powder. Teaspoon. You know what? I'm gonna throw these noodles in here too. What kind of noodles I got, y'all? Throw noodles in some boiling water. We're gonna see what these gonna do. I know I don't have the chicken in here yet. Okay. Put this top on here. I already turned it on. I feel it heating up. On high. So I'll be back. Okay, all the food is in there, and I did put the chicken in there on top of everything. So it's 3:10 p.m. Okay, y'all, my food has been cooking for about 5 hours. This is potato, broccoli, chicken, and other vegetables. Soup. This ain't broccoli. Brussels sprouts. Nice and savory. I'm gonna give it a taste test. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's 7:34, 7:35. So food has been cooking for 5 hours on high in my small slow cooker. I'll just dish me up some. Okay, I want to see if the Brussels sprouts, I can cut right through them with the spoon. I left them whole because when they were frozen I couldn't cut them. That's right, I forgot I put noodles in here too. The white egg noodles. There's a noodle. I put them in here dry. Let me taste this. I ain't never fixed nothing like this before. Brussels sprouts taste like cabbage. I'm gonna eat a noodle, see how it is. Found a new dish. Let me stop smacking. I'm gonna try the rest of it. Got chicken, string beans, corn. Try some more chicken. This is a good creamy soup. This is good, y'all. So what is this called? Brussels sprouts, vegetables, chicken, and noodle soup. And it's good. And I never made anything like this before. And it's good. Found me a new soup to make. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And bon appetit. Bye.